We're taking a flight with the Pro Cut today, and we're going to inspect the building progress at the new Buc-ee's at exit 407. And boy, do I love watching a drone take off. Hope y'all enjoy. According to WATE Channel 6, Buc-ee's here is supposed to be a 74,000 square foot building, so this place is going to be huge. And this appears to be the location of where the Buc-ee's is going to be, right off the exit 407 in Sevierville, Tennessee. Here is supposed to feature 120 fueling stations and a car wash that's over 250 feet long. I don't know why a car wash needs a car wash that long, but it's got plenty of room to do a really good job. And the road ends to over here for this lot, so there's room for expansion. I bet you it's going to be some prime real estate up here, being it's all new and everything.
Yes, I feel it again in the back of my head. I'm getting restless, baby. Nobody waits. I'm stuck in the middle, chasing unfamiliar places.
Folks, I'm getting really thirsty flying out here in this heat. I hope y'all don't mind, but I'm going to fly through this Wendy's and get me a cold Dr. Pepper. I'll take one large Dr. Pepper, please. I bet this was really weird for him. How many of you other drone pilots out there has actually flown your drones with you through the drive-thru? That's right, Wendy's has a fly-through now. And that concludes this flight, and as always, comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the Pro Cuts channel as well. Y'all have a great day.